Hi, welcome my friend. Brand trimmer for men. ERADREAM all-in-one hair trimmer, professional electric, and body and mustache trimmer. Multi-grooming kit with hair clipper, waterproof, USB rechargeable, and LED display, blue in color. Steel precision trimmer. The narrow design of the steel precision trimmer makes it easy to precisely create fine lines, contours, and finish small details. Non-slip rubber grip. High quality rubber handle for superior comfort and control while trimming. Comfortable to grip and easy to operate. IPX7 washable blade. Simply rinse the water-resistant, non-corrosive blades and guards under the running water for easy cleaning. To get the product, you can click on the link below the video. Do not forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and activate the notification button. Thank you.